In this assignment, you will learn about the Insert tab, groups in the Insert tab. The Insert tab. The Insert tab is the second tab in Microsoft Word 2010. This tab has a lot of useful features that enables you to insert things like pictures, clip art images, shapes, smart art graphics, charts, and lot of the other items. Let us review a few of these features in this exciting new tab. First, let's see which groups are contained in this tab. Pages. This group contains the commands which you can use to insert a cover page, a blank page, or a page break. Tables. The options in this group enable you to insert various kinds of tables and spreadsheets. Illustrations. These commands enable you to insert various types of illustrations and screenshots. Links. These commands enable you to create bookmarks, links, and cross-references. Header and footer. These commands enable you to insert headers, footers, and page numbers. Text. These commands enable you to present text in different ways and insert embedded objects. Symbols. These commands enable you to insert equations and symbols. In this assignment, you will learn inserting a cover page, inserting a blank page, inserting a page break. Cover page. The cover page icon is used to insert a cover page at the beginning of the document. The use of a cover page adds a professional touch to documents such as project reports, manuscripts, and even resumes. On the Insert tab in the Pages group, click Cover Page. A gallery of attractive, ready-to-use cover page designs is displayed. Click on a suitable one. The cover page you select is inserted at the top of your document as the first page. Click in the placeholders and enter the text you require. Isn't this a very useful feature? Blank page. The blank page icon is used to insert a blank page at the current cursor position. This is useful when you need to insert a new page between two existing pages. Click at the point you want a blank page. Then on the Insert tab in the Pages group, click Blank Page. Page break. The page break icon is used to position the cursor on the next page. This is useful when you want to write on the next page even though there is some blank space at the bottom of the current page. To insert a page break, place the cursor at the point where you want a new page to begin. On the Insert tab in the Pages group, click Page Break. Alternatively, you may use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Enter. A fixed page break is inserted and the cursor is now at the beginning of the next page. Any text following the breakpoint is moved to the next page. In this assignment, you will learn creating tables, creating a table without a mouse, using quick tables, modifying table layout, enhancing tables, converting text to tables and vice versa. Table. The table icon is used to insert a table in a document. A table is used to organize information into an easy-to-read format of horizontal rows and vertical columns. To insert a table, on the Insert tab in the Tables group, select Table, Insert Table. In the Insert Table window, enter the table size in respect of number of columns and rows. Click OK. Your table is displayed on the screen, and two contextual tabs named Design and Layout appear under the heading Table Tools. The Design tab contains tools for formatting the table, while the Layout tab enables you to change the layout of the table by inserting and deleting columns, rows, or cells. Entering table data. A table can be created in various other ways. On the Insert tab in the Tables group, select Table and drag with your mouse to specify the dimensions of the table. Click a cell in the table and enter your data. Press Tab to move to the next cell. Use the arrow keys to move between cells. Drawing a table. You may even use the table Draw Table option to create a table. This is particularly useful when you need a table in which the number and sizes of rows and columns is not fixed. When you use this option, the cursor changes to a pencil shape. Click in your document and drag to draw the table's outline. To draw a row, drag from the left side to the right side of the table. Similarly, to draw a column, drag from the top to the bottom of the table. Press the Escape key when you are done creating the table's columns and rows. Creating a table without a mouse. You know it's possible to even create a table without using the mouse and ribbon commands in Word. Type the plus signs and dashes are shown. Here the pluses represent the column borders and the dashes represent the width of each column. Press Enter after the last plus to create the first row. Pressing Tab in the last cell of a row creates an additional row. Quick tables. Word has several ready-to-use tables which you can quickly insert in your document. On the Insert tab, from the Tables group, select Table, Quick Tables. Then click on a table from the displayed gallery. Here you are. The table is inserted in your document. Sizing and moving a table. You may change the size and position of a table as required. When you rest the mouse pointer over a table, you see a resize handle at the bottom right corner and a four-headed arrow at the top left corner. To quickly change the overall table size, drag the resize handle at the bottom right corner of the table to an appropriate size. To change the width of a column or the height of a row, place the pointer on a boundary and drag when it appears as a two-headed arrow. To move your table, place the pointer on the top left corner and drag with your mouse to a new location. To select the complete table, click the four-headed arrow at the top left corner. The Contextual Layout tab. When your cursor is within a table, two contextual tabs named Design and Layout appear under the heading Table Tools. Activate the Layout tab. To insert additional rows or columns, in the Rows and Columns group, select Insert Above to insert a row above the current row. Deselect the inserted row by clicking outside it. Then select Insert Below to insert a row below the current row. Similarly, Insert Left inserts a column to the left and Insert Right inserts a column to the right. To insert multiple rows or columns, select the same number of rows or columns required to be inserted and then click on the appropriate icon. Shifting cells. You may shift a few cells or a complete row or column. Select some cells which you would like to shift to the right. On the Contextual Layout tab, in the Rows and Columns group, click the dialog box Launcher. In the Insert Cells window, select Shift Cells Right and click OK. You see that the data has been moved to the right and a new blank column has been inserted. Merging cells. You may combine two or more tables cells located in the same row or column into a single cell. For this, select them and on the Layout tab in the Merge group, click Merge Cells. Look, your cells have been merged. Splitting cells. You can split a cell into multiple cells. Click in a cell or select multiple cells that you want to split. On the Layout tab, in the Merge group, click Split Cells. In the window that comes up, enter the number of columns or rows that you want to split the selected cells into and click OK. Your cells are now split as specified by you. The Contextual Design tab. Activate the Contextual Design tab. You can enhance the appearance of your table using various options on this tab. A quick way of formatting a table automatically is to use the table styles offered by Word. The available auto formats consist of a combination of fonts, colors, patterns, borders, and alignment settings. In the Table Styles group, click the More arrow to display the complete gallery of styles. Move your mouse over the styles to preview how the table will look like if you select that option. Then click on a suitable one. Converting text to a table. You can create a table from existing text. Let's see how it is done. Insert separator characters such as commas or tabs to indicate where you want to divide the text into columns. Use a paragraph mark such as the Enter key to indicate where you want to begin a new row. Select the text that you want to convert. On the Insert tab in the Tables group, click Table and then click Convert Text to Table. In the window that comes up, verify that the number of columns is correct. Under Separate Text Art, click the option for the separator character that you have used. Then click OK. Your data is now displayed in tabular form. Converting a table to the text. You can also convert the data contained in a table to regular text. Click within the table and on the Contextual Layout tab in the Data group, click Convert to Text. In the window that comes up, click the option for the separator character that you want to use in place of the column boundaries. Then click OK. Have a look. The table data is now displayed in textual form. Deleting a table. To delete an entire table, click within it. On the Layout tab, from the Rows and Columns group, select Delete, Delete Table. Press Undo on the Quick Access toolbar to redisplay the table. In this assignment, you will learn inserting and enhancing pictures, using text wrapping options, using clip art, using shapes, using smart art, using charts, inserting screenshots, arranging and grouping objects. Picture. The picture icon is used to insert an existing picture into a document. Let us insert a picture of the company logo in our document. Position your cursor where you want the picture to be inserted. On the Insert tab, in the Illustrations group, click Picture. In the Insert Picture window, browse to the required picture and click Insert. The picture appears in your document. Size the picture as required by using the sizing handles. Enhancing a picture. When you insert a picture or select an already inserted picture in a document, a new Format tab appears under the heading Picture Tools. This tab contains various tools you can use to modify the appearance of your picture. For example, you could choose to color the picture differently or apply a picture style. Try exploring the various options yourself. Applying artistic effects. You may apply various artistic effects to an inserted picture. First, select the picture. Then, on the Contextual Format tab, in the Adjust group, click Artistic Effects. A gallery of different effects is displayed. Choose a suitable one. Your picture is now modified as per the selected effect. Cropping a picture. You may crop a picture to remove unwanted parts. On the Contextual Format tab, in the Size group, click Crop. 8 cropping handles appear on the edges of the picture. Drag these inwards to remove parts of the picture that you do not need. You may also crop a picture into a specific shape. For this, click the lower part of the crop icon and select Crop to Shape. Select a suitable shape from the Displayed Shapes gallery. Look, your picture is displayed within the shape. Removing picture background. You can remove the background from a picture to highlight the subject of the picture or to remove distracting details. First, select the picture. On the Contextual Format tab, in the Adjust group, click Remove Background. The Background Removal tab is displayed and the picture is surrounded by a box. This box indicates the area that will be retained. The area that will be removed is colored in a dark shade. Drag the handles on the box to change the boundaries of the area you want to keep. This area is shown in normal colors. Now click Keep Changes in the Close group. Your picture is now displayed without the background. Background Removal Tools. Sometimes simply adjusting the size of the box doesn't serve your purpose of removing the background. For such cases, there are some additional tools on the Background Removal tab to refine your selection. Clicking the Mark Areas to Keep button allows you to draw lines to outline the parts you want to keep. Similarly, Mark Areas to Remove allows you to draw lines to outline the parts you want to delete. Delete Mark is used to remove the most recent line drawn. Wrapping text around a picture. There are various ways in which a picture interacts with the surrounding text. Let's learn how this can be controlled. Click the picture to select it. This displays the Contextual Format tab. From the Arrange group, click Wrap Text. The default wrapping style is in line with text. This places the image in line with your text. The image is treated like a large single character. If you wish to be able to move your image freely around the document by simply dragging, you could try using one of the other wrapping options. Specifying an edit wrap boundary. You may want your text to be displayed a little away from your picture. In that case, you can specify a boundary around your picture. On the Format tab, in the Arrange group, select Wrap Text. Edit Wrap Points. Your picture is surrounded by a red frame with black dots on it. Drag the dots as shown. Your text will now be positioned outside this boundary. Specifying picture position. You can specify the position of a picture on a page. For this, on the Format tab, in the Arrange group, select Position. Move your mouse over the displayed options and click on a suitable one. Clip Art. The clip art icon is used to insert various ready-made illustrations, audios and videos offered by Microsoft. Let us learn to insert a picture from the clip art gallery. On the Insert tab, in the Illustrations group, click Clip Art. The clip art pane is displayed on the right. In the Search For box, enter a word or phrase that describes what you're looking for. In the Results Should Be box, click the down arrow and click the Illustrations and Photographs boxes. Click the box in front of the Include Office.com content to include pictures from the Microsoft Office website. Then click Go. From the displayed pictures, drag a suitable one into your document. Size it as required and close the clip art pane. Shapes. The Shapes icon is used to insert predefined shapes into your document. On the Insert tab, in the Illustrations group, click Shapes to display the Shapes gallery. Click on a shape and drag your mouse to create a shape of the size you wish. You may drag to place the shape at another location. When you insert a shape, a new Format tab appears. You may use the various options available to enhance the appearance of the shape. Let us apply a shape style by clicking on one from the Shape Styles gallery. Like all other objects, shapes can also be copied. Adjusting shapes. Shapes can be adjusted after they are drawn. Let's first draw a shape. You can change the orientation of a shape using the green rotation handle at the top. Place your pointer on it and drag to the left or right to rotate your shape. Some shapes display a yellow diamond adjustment handle as well. This can be used to change the size, proportions, or location of parts of the shape. You can also edit the points of most shapes. On the Contextual Format tab, in the Insert Shapes group, click Edit Shape, Edit Points. A number of black dots appear on the shape outline. You may drag any of them to adjust the shape. Smart Art. The Smart Art icon enables you to add several types of useful diagrams to your document. You may choose from various categories such as Process, Hierarchy, Cycle, Relationship, and others. Each category contains different layouts. Let us create a Smart Art graphic in our document. Position the cursor appropriately. On the Insert tab, in the Illustrations group, click Smart Art. In the Choose a Smart Art graphic window, select a category. Now select a suitable graphic and click OK. Two new Smart Art Tools tabs named Design and Format are displayed. These can be used to change the color scheme and style of the graphic and make changes to the individual shapes in the graphic. Modifying Smart Art. Let us make some changes to the Smart Art graphic we inserted. We'll enter additional levels by using the Design tab. In the Create Graphic group, click Add Shape twice to add additional shapes. You can also modify the layout of your graphic. Click the More arrow in the Layouts group to see the complete gallery. Click on a suitable one. To change the colors, in the Smart Art Styles group, click Change Colors and select a color scheme. Then apply a Smart Art style by selecting one from the gallery. You may resize the graphic as required by dragging any of the corners. Using the text pane. Now that your Smart Art graphic is complete, you are ready to enter text. Click in the first box and type your text. Similarly, enter text in the second box. You can also use the text pane for entry of text. On the Design tab, in the Create Graphic group, click Text pane and enter the text for the balance levels in the Displayed pane. Close the text pane by clicking the X icon at the top right corner. Chart. The chart icon is used to insert a chart in a document. A chart is a visual representation of data and conveys information in an easy to understand and attractive manner. Let's insert a chart in our document. Position the cursor appropriately. On the Insert tab, in the Illustrations group, click Chart. In the displayed window, select the chart category and type and then click OK. A sample chart is displayed in your document and an Excel worksheet appears in another window. Delete the data in the worksheet and enter your data as shown. As you enter the data, corresponding changes are made to the chart. Now close the Excel window. Resize the chart as required. Modifying charts. When a chart is created, 3 new contextual tabs named Design, Layout, and Format are displayed under the heading Chart Tools. These can be used to modify the chart in different ways. On the Design tab, in the Chart Layouts group, let's click on a layout which displays percentages. The chart is modified as per the selected layout. Next, let's activate the Layout tab. Here we'll change the position at which the legend is displayed. The legend, as in a map, shows which color is used to represent what. In the Labels group, click Legend and select a suitable option. Now we'll activate the Format tab. Let's apply a shape style to the chart area by selecting one from the Shape Styles group. The chart looks great now. Screenshot. The screenshot icon allows you to insert an image of a specific screen into your document. This is particularly useful to capture information on web pages, such as a list of available flights and rates on a travel website. Screenshots are also helpful for copying from web pages whose formatting might not be maintained when copied. Position your cursor appropriately. On the Insert tab, from the Illustrations group, click Screenshot. Open program windows that are not minimized to the taskbar are displayed in the available Windows gallery. Click on the required one. The screenshot is inserted in your document. As in the case of a regular picture, the Picture Tools contextual tab is displayed to enable you to perform picture-related tasks. Screen clipping. If you only need to insert a portion of your screenshot, select Screenshot, Screen clipping. The last screen you displayed is redisplayed. It appears faded with some crosshairs. Drag to select an area. This is then pasted into your Word document. Arranging objects. When objects such as pictures and shapes are created, contextual tabs are displayed. In a blank document, let us create two objects. Now drag one and place it in such a way that it slightly overlaps the other. When you click on the shape at the top, you see the Contextual Format tab under the heading Drawing Tools. We'll learn to use some of the options on the Arrange group of this tab. To send the active shape to the back, on the Format tab, in the Arrange group, click Send Backward. The shape is moved back and the other shape is displayed in the front. Similarly, Bring Forward is used to bring an object to the front. You may use the Rotate button to rotate or flip a selected object. Grouping objects. Sometimes you may create a graphic using multiple objects. To treat various objects as a single entity, you can group them. To select multiple objects, click them one by one, keeping the Control key pressed. Now, on the Format tab, in the Arrange group, click Group. The objects are treated as a single object and can be moved together, formatted together, etc. To ungroup the objects, select Group, Ungroup. In this assignment, you will learn using hyperlinks, using bookmarks. Hyperlink. The hyperlink icon is used to create a connection to a location in the current document, another document, or to a website. A hyperlink may be in the form of text or a graphic. Let us create a hyperlink from some text in our document to another document in the same folder. Select the required text. On the Insert tab, in the Links group, click Hyperlink or use the shortcut keys Ctrl+K. In the Insert Hyperlink window, select the folder which contains the document you wish to link in the Look-in box. Click Current Folder and then click on the document name in the displayed list. Click OK. You now see that the hyperlink text is underlined. When you press and hold the Control key and click on this text, you can view the linked document. Removing hyperlinks. To remove a hyperlink while retaining the text, right-click on it and select Remove Hyperlink. If you do not see this option, click within the hyperlink and press Ctrl+K to display the Edit Hyperlink window. Click Remove Link. To remove all hyperlinks from a document, first select the entire document using Ctrl+A. Then, while holding down the Ctrl and Shift keys, press F9. bookmark. The bookmark icon is used to mark a certain location in a document. Using a bookmark makes it easy to move to a particular location easily. Let us insert a bookmark before the text schedule. Click before this text. Then on the Insert tab, from the Links group, select Bookmark. In the bookmark window, enter a name for your bookmark and click Add. Now, position your cursor at the top of your document. To move to your bookmark, click the bookmark icon once again and click Go To in the bookmark window. Your cursor now moves to the bookmark location. Click Close in the bookmark window. Deleting a bookmark. To delete a bookmark, on the Insert tab from the Links group, select Bookmark. In the bookmark window, click on the appropriate bookmark and click Delete. Then click Close. In this assignment, you will learn using headers and footers, inserting the page number, header and footer. The header and footer provide information like page number, document name, etc. that typically appear at the top and bottom of each page in a document. The same header and footer can be used throughout the document, or different ones can be used in different sections. To add a header, on the Insert tab, from the Header and Footer group, click Header. A list of header styles is displayed. Click on a suitable one. The header area becomes active and a new Design tab is displayed. Enter your header text. To format this text as required, select it and use the various options on the mini toolbar. Now click Close Header and Footer at the right end of the Design tab. You may insert a footer in a similar way using the footer icon. First page header or footer. You may specify a different header or footer for the first page of your document. Let's add a header on the first page of the displayed document. On the Insert tab, from the Header and Footer group, click Header. Select a suitable option from the displayed ones. On the Contextual Design tab, in the Options group, click the box in front of different first page. Now create your header as usual. Click within any other page of the document and create a header again. This will be applied to all pages other than the first one. Different first page footers can be created in a similar way. To create different odd and even page headers and footers, click the box in front of different odd and even pages on the Design tab. Page number. The page number icon is used to insert the page number on every page of your document at a position of your choice. Some header and footer styles include the page number. Let's learn to use the page number icon. On the Insert tab, in the Header and Footer group, click Page Number. Inserting the page number at the bottom of the page overrides a previously inserted footer, if any. Similarly, inserting the page number at the top of the page overrides a previously inserted header. In this assignment, you will learn using text boxes, quick parts, word art, drop caps, inserting the date, inserting embedded objects, and inserting symbols. Text box. The text box icon is used to insert text boxes in your document. Text boxes give you control over the position of a block of text. You can place text boxes anywhere in the document and format them as required. Let us create text boxes to label the displayed pictures. On the Insert tab, in the text group, click Text Box and select Draw Text Box. Drag with the mouse and draw the text box at a suitable position. You can see the cursor flashing within the box. Enter the required text. Modifying text boxes. Let us modify the text box we created using the Contextual Format tab. We'll first make the background of this text box transparent so that the background color is visible. On the Format tab, from the Text Box Styles group, click the arrow next to Shape Fill. From the options displayed, select No Fill. We'll also remove the outline of this text box. For this, select Shape Outline, No Outline. Text box fills. You can fill a text box in different ways. On the Contextual Format tab, in the Text Box Styles group, click Shape Fill. You may select a color, gradient, texture, or pattern. You can even fill the text box with a picture. This proves useful when you need to quickly insert a picture of a specific size at a specific place. Select Shape Fill, Picture. Then browse to your picture and click Insert. Quick Paths. The Quick Paths icon enables you to quickly add pre-formatted content to your documents. Portions of text can be reused whenever required. There are numerous building block galleries available in Word, such as headers, footers, text boxes, cover pages, watermarks, quick paths, etc., which help make your document look more professional. We learn to add an item to the Quick Paths gallery. The displayed document has the company name and logo at the top. We'll create a building block which includes the name and logo so that we can easily insert this at the top of other documents. First, select the logo and name. On the Insert tab, in the text group, click Quick Paths and then click Save Selection to Quick Path Gallery. In the Create New Building Block window, enter a unique name for the building block in the name box. To save the building block, we'll select the Quick Paths gallery itself. Now click OK. Inserting Quick Paths. Let us insert the quick path we created into another blank document. Click where you want to insert the block. On the Insert tab, in the text group, click Quick Paths. If your block is not displayed, scroll down and then click on it. The logo and company name is now displayed in the blank document. You may insert a building block into any of the other galleries such as footers, headers, etc. in a similar way. When you have created a new building block, exiting from Word displays this window. Click Save if you wish to save this block for future use. Word art. The word art icon is used to enhance the appearance of text. This is done by adding special effects such as 3D and shadows. Let's apply word art to the heading of our document. Select the text and on the Insert tab, in the text group, select Word Art. Select a word art style from the displayed gallery. A new Format tab appears displaying various tools to modify your word art. Creating word art. You need to apply the word art to existing text only. To insert word art text on a blank line, click the word art icon. Select your style and then enter the required text. Drop cap. The drop cap icon is used to enlarge the first character or characters at the beginning of a paragraph. Drop caps may cover several lines. Let's learn to create a drop cap. Click within the first paragraph. Then select drop cap in the text group on the Insert tab. Click Drop Cap Options to display the drop cap window. Click on Dropped under Position, then specify the lines to drop as 2. Let's leave the font and the distance of the drop cap from text unchanged for now. Click OK. You can see that the first letter of the paragraph is displayed as a drop cap. To display more than one letter as a drop cap, select the letters and then choose the drop cap options. Date and time. The date and time icon is used to insert the date and time into a document. Let us insert the current date into our document. Place the cursor at the required position. On the Insert tab, from the text group, select Date and Time. In the displayed window, select the format you want. To automatically display the correct date when it changes, click the Update Automatically box. This updation is seen when you next open your document. Insert Object. The Insert Object icon is used to insert an embedded object in your document. The advantage of inserting an embedded object is that you can work with it in the original program it was created. Let us insert a bitmap image. On the Insert tab, from the text group, click Object. In the Object window, select Bitmap Image and click OK. The Paint application is opened since this is the application used to create bitmap images. Create your picture and close Paint. The picture is displayed in your document. Now, whenever you need to edit the picture, simply double-click on it. Isn't this convenient? Symbol. The symbol icon is used to insert symbols or special characters in your document. On the Insert tab, in the Symbol group, click Symbol icon. Click More Symbols to display the symbol window. This window can be used to insert symbols as well as special characters. On the Symbols tab, click on a symbol of your choice and click Insert. Then click Close. The symbol is inserted at the current cursor position. Overview. Friends, we have learned about the key features and commands of the Insert tab. After applying these features, our document looks like the one displayed on screen. You may try to insert various items into the document on your own by using different options and variations from the Insert tab. Also try exploring the various contextual tabs. There is still more that you can do with your document. You can make it more attractive and informative by using themes, adding borders, watermarks, and applying a background color. You can also specify the page size and margins. All this can be done using the Page Layout tab. So let's move to next lab and learn to use the third tab, the Page Layout tab.